Happy Friday, everyone. This is Julie HR, and I've been asked by many people to assist them in helping them create somewhat of like a new hire welcome along with a handbook. So I wanted to show you a little bit about what I created for those individuals that will hopefully help you. It's very easy to utilize. However, please note it is in Canva. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to open it up and make it a little bit larger. And then we're going to take a dive into what it looks like to edit it in Canva. So here we have the new hire packet. And when I say new hire packet, you're going to have it's going to have a cover, 2026 new hire welcome packet. And you see these particular landscape areas. These are areas where you'll be able to put in your own type of particular picture. It has 21 pages. It's great. It covers a lot of different areas that are critical to the human resource function, and you'll be able to edit those. And we'll be looking at this in just a second. I'm super excited. There's the welcome letter. We'll get to see all this in just a second. So just hold tight, guys. Okay. First of all, you'll get the welcome letter to the new team. First day, it's going to actually provide you. I know a lot of new hires, they're a little anxious on, what's going to be going on their first day. So this particular packet of 21 pages, it contains their first day schedule, points of contact. It also has, you can include your own new hire paperwork in here, or you can choose to purchase a new hire paperwork packet on my Etsy site. I know a lot of people already have their own new hire paperwork set. So people were asking me if I could just assist with this. It also has, it gives times and dates, what you need to wear, where you need to park, a lot of great things. And in the handbook, it has a letter from the CEO, purpose, and then you're looking at these policies that come into play from a legal standpoint, such as at will. Then you have table of contents, company profile. Then you go into health and safety, classification, non-exempt, exempt, the schedules, employee performance, policies, leave, that's a huge one, discipline, termination, and then acknowledgement and receipt of the handbook. And this is ideal for those organizations that haven't reached, 150, 500 people. This is great for a smaller organization that just needs to get their information out there to their employees. Okay. Here you can see there's a section for company policies, health and safety, compensation and benefits, your first day, your company profile, your history. It's very easy. I'll show you in Canva how to edit and go in there and make it look fantastic for your organization. The welcome packet, which precedes the handbook. As mentioned, we already went over the letter, the first day information, the schedule, points of contact, and then there is a checklist for new hire paperwork, which, as mentioned, you can purchase from me or utilize what you have. You can change colors, fonts, graphics, and add logo. Canva, I've been utilizing for probably over maybe 8 or 9 years. And it has been nothing but very helpful for me. Easy to edit. And here you can see some more of what it looks like. The handbook is 17 pages. I do have a handbook that is probably around 50 or 60 pages. It's really deep in depth, and it is for those organizations that do have those policies that are for those that have 150 employees, 200 employees, it's for those. So here we're going to keep going. And then there's some frequently asked questions. This is on the ad. And then there's the point of contact, first day schedule. And last but not least, I would highly encourage you to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Every Sunday, probably around 7, 8, or 9 o'clock at night, I release a video that goes over the weekly HR trends and compliance preparation for the following week. So upcoming on the 11th. So another one will come out on the 11th. And I really want you to be able to have that information as you go into your upcoming week as an HR professional, or perhaps you are someone who's new to the HR profession, maybe even a student. This will be an educational thing. This is an educational time for me to share on YouTube what's going on in the government, what kind of new laws are being passed that are surrounding HR, what are the new HR trends, and so forth. It keeps you on track and without having to go and read everything, because I'll be doing that for you. With that being said, thanks so much. And we are actually going to dive into Canva. Let's see if I already got it pulled up. Yep, it's up here. Welcome. Here is the new hire welcome packet, as we were mentioning, right? And we have the new hire welcome packet. It's 21 pages. Then here is I'm going to kind of make this a little bit larger. There we go. The new hire welcome packet 2026. If you wanted to change that color, I just wanted to show you how to do that. Let's say we do this, and let's say you want to change it to blue. So easy to do that. If you wanted to change the colors of this, very easy. Go up to the text color, and you could change that to, let's say, I'm just going to pick a green. Probably not the best hue, but there you go. And then right here, you may want to upload your particular, a picture of your organization, maybe of your people. I'm going to go into elements right here. And I'm going to put, let's see, I'm just going to put new hire employees. And that's going to give me a lot of different graphics, photos, and videos. So I'm just going to see if I can find a picture of some new hires, maybe standing in a row or something like that. I'm just going to take this one right here because it looks like it's about the same dimension. And I'm just going to, all you have to do is pull it over. Super easy. And let's say you had a picture of your welcome to the company. And see, if you go in here, you're able to, it's so easy. You can go in here. We are excited, are looking forward to seeing you on, let's see, maybe you could put like Saturday, Saturday, comma, I'm just gonna make up December the 11th at, and then maybe 1 p.m. Something along those lines. It's just very easy to go into these. You can see these boxes. You can go in there. You can go in there and delete. You can go in there and make changes. Right here, if you wanted to put maybe a picture of the HR director, maybe you want to put a picture of your someone, maybe like your CEO. It just depends on who is writing this. I'm going to put like headshot employee. And this is kind of square. Let's find something that looks kind of square. Let's go with this. This looks, let's see. This looks kind of square, but he doesn't really have the business look out right now. Let's just take this and put it over here. Perfect. All right. So excellent. However, if you had an upload or something, right here. And you actually had a picture of, let's see if I can find a picture of my, hold on, HR Edge. For y'all who don't know me, I have a Chihuahua. I love my Chihuahua. And this actually isn't a picture of my Chihuahua, but this is a picture of that AI created of a Chihuahua. See, so any picture you upload or whatnot, you can pull it right over there, right? So there's a picture of my dog. Very easy to edit. Okay, first day helpful information. Employees need to know what's going on, what's going to be happening on their first day. So this particular packet is something that you are going to be sending to them prior to their first day. Yes, it's part of onboarding, but for those who don't know, onboarding is from pre-boarding before you start, probably all the way to 120 days that the employee has worked. So when we're talking about onboarding, it's a big, long period. So this is kind of the pre-boarding period where you're sending this info to the employees. Their parking, their identification, the handbook, what they should wear. And then if you want to put another, go to elements and maybe put, let's see, a company building. Okay, beautiful. Let's just pick one and let's just say, there you go. It's so easy. Canva is great. And then first day schedule. You want to schedule 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. We're doing new hire paperwork, 12 o'clock. History, mission, vision, points of contact. Like I said, you can just pull the pictures in there. Just like we did with my dog up here. You can pull it in with those individuals who are, the HR director, the director of IT, or whatnot. New hire forms for returning. If you have another form that you want to add, just go right click, duplicate, pull this down, maybe pull this up, duplicate, make it a number 10. Canva is just very, very valuable to any and every organization. And then here we go. We're going to hop into the employee handbook. Letter from the CEO. So you may want to have the HR director's picture up here. And then you may want to have the CEO's picture right there and have the CEO write something, which is always so very valuable. It talks about core values. There's a lot to learn these first few weeks. I'm going to touch upon our core values. It's not dummy text. I've already put stuff in there to help you to get the ball rolling. Handbook purpose, at will, and then you have the table of contents. You're talking about health and safety, and this is all before the employee starts. So they're learning about your history, your vision, your culture, your core values before you even start. And if you have new hire paperwork for them, you can include it in this, or you can wait for the first day or whatnot. You're talking about FMLA, retaliation, ADA, compensation and benefits, and you're keeping it simplistic. You don't want to inundate them with a 50-page handbook prior to their first day. You want to give them the big overhead look of everything. And this is great. And once you're complete, all you have to do is basically go to share, and then you're going to go to download and file type, and you're probably going to want to save it as a PDF, right? PDF standard. I'm not going to do it because this is the actual working template, and I don't want to mess it up for you guys. You're going to save it as a PDF, and then you could send it on over to the employee along with the new hire paperwork, and send them in just a very, very nice email. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this on this wonderful Friday. I hope everyone has had a great week back. Be sure on Sunday, be sure right now to go over to my Etsy page. Let's see. Go over to my YouTube channel and go ahead and subscribe so you'll be able to see all my new templates and find out about all the new HR compliance and things that you are going to need that are going to make you look like a rock star if you know this in your HR department. And it's going to give you a lot of great ideas too. Our first week was great, so if you want to go ahead and subscribe and check out our first week, because we had I created one this is about an 18-minute overview on January 14th. You can find that within my YouTube channel. I would love for you to do that. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Please know I'm always here to help. If you have any questions, just message me on my Etsy site. And be sure to consider taking a look at the new hire welcome kit and employee handbook. And thank you so much and have a great day. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.